Friends, Namaste. I am Dr. Sanjay Gaikwad, author, orator, and college teacher. Friends, in the last video, I had promised you that we are going to study the syllabus of 12th Board's English subject. And here is the very first video, 1.1, An Astrologer's Day. वीडियो पाहण्याच्या अगोदर मैं आपको पूरे दिल से विनती करता हूँ कि इफ योर फ्रेंड्स और योर रिलेटिव्स और योर टाउन मेट्स, योर स्कूल मेट्स or your city mates, mohalla mates or gully mates are there in 12th, whatever may be his faculty, arts or commerce or science, do send the link to him. प्रचंड कष्टानं हा व्हिडिओ बनवलेला आहे. So do send the link and watch the video till the end. And let me tell you the system of this video. What did I do? I have taken out the important points from the story, made the PPT and elaborated all these important points in order to take into account the message, the theme of the story. And actually all these points have been narrated in English. Simultaneously I have also used बीच में मैंने हिंदी का भी इस्तेमाल किया है and I have also used Marathi. So this is what the combination of English, Marathi and Hindi. Friends, I request you to subscribe the channel and to like the video, to share the video. Let's get started. So my dear friends, 1.1, An Astrologer's Day is the story from R.K. Narayan's pen. And here is the photo of R.K. Narayan, excellent Indian writer in English. And he is known for novels. He has written 40 novels, 14 उपन्यास उन्होंने लिखे हैं. Apart from novels, he has written short stories, काही लघुकथा ही त्यांनी लिहिलेल्या आहेत. Then he has written travelogues, the writing which is based on one's journey, travels are included in travelogues, प्रवास वर्णने, and memoir also, स्वतःच्या अनुभवावरती आधारित आठवणी, that is memoir. So he has been known for his novels, short stories, travelogues and memoir. But friends, let me tell you that he is very well known for his novel called as The Guide. Yes, The Guide. Why? It is because he received the prestigious Sahitya Academy Award for this guide in 1961. और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, उनको और भी एक चीज के लिए जाना जाता है, that is Malgudi Days, a collection of short stories. छोट्या कथांचं कलेक्शन आहे आणि त्याच्यासाठी त्यांना ओळखलं जात आहे. And you will be surprised that the first story of Malgudi Days is none but An Astrologer's Day. And that is also the very first story of our course book. So thanks to the honorable all board study members. Let's start. See, there is an astrologer, Jyotishi, and this astrologer has some things. क्या क्या है उसके पास? Number 1, cowrie shells है. Number 2, a piece of cloth, obscure and mystic charts on that piece of cloth. Number 3, a notebook. And number 4, a bundle of Palmyra writing. ये चीजें क्या क्या हैं? cowrie shells का मतलब क्या है? So please see here, these are cowrie shells. Cowrie means sea animal और उसका जो कवर होता है त्याचं जे आच्छादन असतं, that is a cowrie shells. In Marathi we call it कवड्या. Number 2, piece of cloth. अभी यहाँ पे जो piece of cloth आप देख रहे हैं, this is plain, but he has the piece of cloth with obscure and mystic charts. उसके ऊपर जो charts है कैसे है? Obscure, that is difficult to understand, समजण्यास अवघड, and mystic, रहस्यमय असे चार्ट्स त्याच्यावरती आहेत. नोटबुक इज ऑल्सो देअर, नोटबुक तेथे आहे. अँड पल्मायरा रायटिंग, दिस इज पल्मायरा रायटिंग. पाम ट्रीच्या लिव्ज वरती लिहिलेलं थोडंसं मिस्टिक रायटिंग जे आहे दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज Palmyra writing. So he has bundle of Palmyra writing. So जो ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर आहे त्या ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरकडे या गोष्टी आहेत आणि म्हणूनच या सर्व गोष्टींना म्हटलेलं आहे ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर्स प्रोफेशनल इक्विपमेंट्स, व्यावसायिक साहित्य. नाउ सी आय एम अ टीचर. व्हॉट आर माय प्रोफेशनल इक्विपमेंट्स? Guess and write it in comment box. The professional equipments of a teacher and dot. जी व्यावसायिक साहित्य आहेत शिक्षकाची ती तुम्हाला कमेंट बॉक्स मध्ये तेथे लिहायची आहे. ओके. एका गावामध्ये हा ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर आहे अँड सी हाऊ डज ही लुक, हाऊ वॉज हिज अपिअरन्स, कसा दिसतोय. सी फोरहेड, कपाळ, रिप्लेंडंट मीन्स ब्राईट, डॅझलिंग अँड इम्प्रेसिव्ह. शुभ्र असं आहे, डॅझलिंग चकाकणार आहे आणि प्रभावित करणारं असं त्याचं ते फोरहेड आहे. विथ सॅक्रिड ॲश अँड अगेन लाईक हिज पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ where there were obscure and mystic charts, like that his forehead is also not plain. There is a sacred ash, एक पवित्र असं रक्षा किंवा भस्म त्याच्या कपाळावरती आहेत. and vermilion that is red or slightly orange color, थोडासा शेंद्री रंगाचा असा भस्म त्याच्यावरती आहे. so this is what about his forehead. See about his eyes. His eyes are gleamy that is shiny, bright, चकाकणारे असे आहेत. and position between forehead and whisker, त्याची जी मुस्टॅश आहे, between his mustache and between his forehead, those eyes were placed. whisker means hair of the beard, दाढीचे किंवा मुस्टॅश, मिशाचे जे कल्ले वरती आलेले असतात, that is called as whisker. so the eyes were there in between whisker and forehead. Turban, and above all he wound turban, pheta, and again the color of that turban was specific, that is saffron color, केशरी रंगाचा फेटा तो घालतो आहे. See, this is the astrologer about whom we are going to study, and he used to sit in that town. See how does he look, how are his eyes. His eyes, gleam is there, shiny eyes are there. And see, this one is turban, and this is sacred ash, and this is vermilion, and see his mustache, and this is the whisker, eyes and forehead. forehead आणि whisker मध्ये त्याचे ते डोळे आहेत. and he was doing his practice as an astrologer in that town. त्या गावामध्ये एका विशिष्ट ठिकाणी तो त्याची प्रॅक्टिस ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजीची करत आहे. कंपॅरिझन ऑफ बीज अँड पीपल, जसं बीज एखाद्या स्टॉकवरती, एखाद्या वंब्यावरती जाते आणि ते मध गोळा करते, त्या पद्धतीनं लोक सुद्धा याच्याकडे येत असतात. पीपल यूज टू गो टू हिम, दे लव्ह हिम, they want to know about their future, and common people always want to know about their future. Place, ज्या ठिकाणी वस्तू आहे ती प्लेस नेमकी कशी आहे. how is that place, and see how is that place. there is a tamarind tree is there. tamarind tree is one of the trees, and त्या ट्रीचे बाऊ जे आहेत, mature branch of the tree, परिपक्व झालेली जी फांदी आहे, under that bough he used to sit. This is a tamarind tree, and he used to sit under this tamarind tree in the open park, open space of that town. Crowdy place all day, and that place where this astrologer used to sit was a crowdy place. From morning till night, crowd of people you can see there, like this. Open space, crowdy space was there. Trades and occupations, तिथे अनेक वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे ट्रेड्स आणि ऑक्युपेशन्स चालत आहेत. इन शॉर्ट, दॅट इज अ मार्केट प्लेस. Medicine sellers are there, sellers of stolen hardware, hardware that is tools and devices, काही उपकरण, hardware, and junk, junk that is waste material, magician, a performer of trick, जादूगर, and auctioneer of cheap clothes. So that is a crowdy place, most crowdy place. अत्यंत गजबजलेली अशी ती जागा आहे. And everything is there. All people used to come there of that town. A vendor is also there, and this vendor is typical vendor, a vendor of fried groundnut. काही मूंगफली वगैरे विकणारा तो vendor आहे, विक्रेता. And astronomer, both are very cunning, and people flock to them. लोक त्यांच्याकडे जातात. Dallied means wasted time, just hanging around, रिंगाळत असतात. There, I see one similarity between this vendor and that astrologer. Both can understand the mentality of common people. There was this vendor, and this vendor was a really creative one. He has a creative mind. One day he calls his product as Bombay ice cream. कभी अपने प्रोडक्ट को कभी बॉम्बे आइसक्रीम के नाम से बुलाता है. Someday he calls Delhi almond. The product is the same, only names are different. And some other day he calls it Raja's delicacy. So now see how the names are glamorous names, attractive names. So the people were flocking towards the vendor as well as towards the astrologer. Problem of light. There was problem of light, as it was a town, and in the night there was problem of light. Fear of vendor's light. ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर कडे लाईट लॅम्प वगैरे नसते, तर बाकीचे जे व्हेंडर्स आहेत त्याचा फ्लिअर या आजूबाजूचा प्रकाश त्याच्यावरती त्याचं भक्त आहे. और नो म्युनिसिपल लाईट. देर वॉज नो म्युनिसिपल लाईट. मनपा और युमेसी म्युनिसिपालिटीचे लाईट्स तेथे नाहीत. अँड सो द प्लेस वॉज गुड फॉर एन्चantment. दॅट इज इट वॉज गुड फॉर मॅजिक. Shops light. Other shops were there, and those shops some of the shops were having their own lights, hissing gas lights. काही गॅस बत्त्याही तेथे आहेत. Old cycle lamps are also being used in the surrounding area, and this astrologer manages without lamp. So he has to wind up his professional equipment as the sun sets. So this is what the setting about the astrologer, the place and the town where he was working, where he was managing. Knowledge of astrologer. Actually, जो भी astrologer रहता है, he should be master in his field, in his astrology. Now see, R.K. Narayan's astrologer in that town, how was he? Astrologer doesn't have the knowledge of astrology. He doesn't have the knowledge of astrology. ज्योतिषशास्त्राचं ज्ञान त्याच्याकडे नसतंय. Making pleasing and astonishing remark to everyone was his capital. जो भी आता था उसे वो pleasing remark, pleasing, खुश करणारे, astonishing, संतोषजनक अशा गोष्टी त्यांना तो सांगायचा. वर्किंग ऑन स्टडी. कशावरती काम करतोय तर स्टडी, प्रॅक्टिस अँड प्रॅक्टिस, दॅट इज एक्सपिरियन्स. अँड ही वॉज वर्किंग ऑन श्रीवड मीन्स जज पीपल. लोकांचा अंदाज घेणं, त्यांना ओळखणं, गेस वर्क. सो दिस वॉज हिज कॅपिटल, अँड ही वॉज डुईंग ॲज an astrologer. He was working as an astrologer there and earning money. What was he doing? Whenever some clients were going to him, some customers were going to him, he was looking their palm. This is a palm. And what was he doing? Again, he was not speaking first 10 minutes anything. पहिले 10 मिनिटे तो काय करायचा? फक्त ऐकून घ्यायचा. He was just listening and then come to the conclusion. Then he understands. त्याला नंतर ते समजत असे की what is the mentality, the psychology of his client. कस्टमर. टू हेल्ड एंड वॉच द पाम अराउंड 10 मिनट्स. बस 10 मिनट वो उस पाम की तरफ देखता रहता था. Past life of astrologer. What was his past life? From a town. He was from a simple town. He was a simple fellow from simple family of simple town. Ordinary fellow, ordinary family, ordinary town. Tilling. He was tilling there. Tilling means preparing and cultivating. तयार करणे आणि मशागत करून त्यातनं धान्य वगैरे पिकवणं. लिव्हिंग. कदाचित तो त्याच्या पूर्वीच्याच गावात जर राहिला असता तर ही मे हॅव लिव्ड देअर, ही मे हॅव मॅरिड देअर अँड ही मे हॅव बीन रायफनिंग कॉर्न फील्ड. कॉर्न फील्ड जे आहे धान्य बनवण्याचे शेत, धान्याचे शेत, तेथे तो काम करत राहिला असता. इट मीन्स दॅट ही वॉज फ्रॉम ऑर्डिनरी फार्मर्स फॅमिली. वर्किंग अनालिसिस ऑफ ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर. ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरची कार्यपद्धती काय होती काम करण्याची? See, marriage, money and tangles of human being. He was giving more and more focus on these three things. Marriage, विवाहाच्या समस्याविषयी. Money, actually marriage and money, these two things are associated with almost each and everyone. Tangles, that is complications, काही भांडण तंटे वगैरे of human being. What was his charge? He was charging 3 pies for one question. एका प्रश्नाला 3 पैज. What is 1 pie? 1 pie is 12th part of 1 anna. एका आण्याचा 12वा भाग. That is 1 pie. And what is 1 anna? 1 anna is equal to 16th part of 1 rupee. एका रुपयाचा 16वा भाग. मराठीमध्ये 16 आणे. When we say 16 आणे, it means that 100 पैसा means 1 rupee. 4 most common factors. He was giving more and more focus on 4 common factors. Those factors are woman, स्त्रिया, nature, स्वभाव, Saturn, शनि. This is very important thing as far as astrology is concerned, and people think that they are facing problems only because of this Saturn. आणि त्याचं एक आणखी महत्वाचं वाक्य असायचं आलेल्यांना, युअर्स इज इम्पेटियस, दॅट इज इम्पल्सिव्ह, भावना प्रधान. नेचर, स्वभाव तुमचा भावना प्रधान आहे, बट रफ एक्सटेरियर, परंतु फक्त तुम्ही दिसायलाच तुम्ही रफ आहात, टफ आहात. हे कॉमन म्हणजे 10 गोष्टींपैकी त्याच्या 9 गोष्टी या बरोबर यायच्यात. वन डे, यस वन डे व्हॉट हॅपन, तोच एक दिवस, त्या दिवशी काय होतं. द ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर वॉज अबाउट टू वाइंड अप. त्याने जवळजवळ सर्व इक्विपमेंट्स त्याला गुंडाळायचे असतात. अ मॅन कम्स, एक माणूस येतोय, अँड चॅलेंजेस हिज ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजी, त्याच्या ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजीला, ज्योतिष शास्त्राला चॅलेंज करतो. फोर्सफुली स्टॉप द ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर. ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर वॉज अबाउट टू वाइंड अप, अबाउट टू गो, बट फोर्सफुली that stranger stops him, and there is pact, there is agreement. He says that I want 3 pies. Astrologer says I will charge 3 pies for one question, but he says I will give you 1 anna, but if you fail you have to pay me penalty and you have to give me correct answers of my questions, otherwise I will not let you go. And there is pact, there is agreement, तह करार होतोय त्यांच्यामध्ये. And then that stranger lit the cigarette पेटवतोय, and in that light that astrologer sees his face, चेहरा पाहतोय, and as soon as he looks the face of stranger, he denies, he wants to go to home, but that stranger was powerful. त्याची wrist तो पकडतोय, held the wrist and says challenge is challenge. आव्हान हे आव्हान आहेत. You have accepted my challenge and now you have to answer my question, otherwise you have to surrender and be judged. तुला शरण यावं लागेल, पेनल्टी पे करावी लागेल. So this is what the happening of that day. Again, what happens? Prediction of past. Actually, this is narration of past and prediction of future. Past. आणि मग वर्णन करतोय ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर त्या स्ट्रेंजरच्या केसचं आणि त्याला सांगतोय, नाईफ हॅज पास्ड थ्रू यू वन्स, यू वर थ्रोन इन अ वेल and you were supposed as dead, but passers-by saved you. Really wonderful. And actually this was happened in the case of that stranger, that someone has stabbed him. कुणीतरी चाकू त्याला मारलेलं असतं and thrown him in a well. विहिरीतही फेकून दिलेलं असतं आणि तिथून जाणारे जे पासर्स बाय असतात त्यांनी त्याला वाचवलेलं असतं. Then the stranger says, I want to kill the man who killed me. जाने मला मारला, बस मैं उसे अभी खत्म करना चाहता हूँ. But this astrologer very cunningly says, actually the man you want to kill is already dead before 4 months in a lorry accident. And in the conversation he also takes his name as Guru Nayak. त्या स्ट्रेंजरला तो गुरु नायक म्हणतो. अँड सी द वंडर, द सरप्राईज, ऍक्च्युली द नेम ऑफ दॅट स्ट्रेंजर वॉज गुरु नायक. सी द पिक्चर. दिस मॅन इज नन बट गुरु नायक. गुरु नायकच नाव असतं. नाव दिस इज द क्वेश्चन की ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरला ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजी विषयी ज्ञान नाही, परंतु नाव कसं काय ओळखतोय? दॅट इज अ क्वेश्चन, बिग क्वेश्चन. आणि फ्युचरही सांगतोय त्याला, गो टू होम फॉर डेंजर विल बी देअर. Otherwise danger will be there. You have to go to home and never travel to southward again. He gives him 2 suggestions, that number 1, go to home, and number 2, don't travel to southward. आणि तो आता साऊथला चाललेला असतो, परंतु सांगतोय की पुन्हा कधी साऊथला जाऊ नकोस. Place. The place where the dialogue, where the argument was going on between that Guru Nayak and astrologer. How is that place now? There is darkness, there is silence, it is as good as desert. And then Guru Nayak gives a handful coins to astrologer, and this astrologer returns to his home. As soon as he returns, he gives the coins to his better half, his wife. पत्नीला देते. पत्नी काय करेल फर्स्ट? Yes, she counts. It was 12.5 annas. She counts and she says, now I will bring jaggery and coconut. Jaggery, gul, and coconut, and will bring sweet dish. आणि जेव्हा त्याला समजते की 12.5 आना आहेत, म्हणजे 1 रुपी सुद्धा नाहीये, कारण 16 आनाज आर देअर इन 1 रुपी, आणि ठरलं होतं की 1 रुपी प्लस इंटरेस्ट द्यायचं. Then astrologer says, the swine cheated me. Swine means bear, सुवर, डुक्कर. Cheated me, deceived me, फसवलंय त्याने मला. Then they have dinner. This astrologer with his wife, they take dinner. The astrologer feels free. उसे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ज्योतिषाला फार मस्त वाटतंय. As he was not a murderer. He was not a murderer? Yes, he was not a murderer. आणि जेव्हा पत्नीला हे समजते, the wife gasped. पत्नीला आश्चर्याचा मोठा झटका बसतोय. मर्डरर नाही? Yes. What is it? Then he says, that astrologer says, one day we drank liquor, wine. एकदा घेतली होती. Then gambled, पत्ते खेळलो. Then quarreled, भांडलो. And then stabbed and pushed him in the well. बच्चों, आया कुछ समझ में? यस. गुरु नायक सोबत राहणारा, ड्रिंक करणारा, गॅम्बल करणारा, कॉरल करणारा, स्टॅब करणारा आणि त्याला विहिरीत ढकलणारा वॉज नन बट ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर. आणि आता ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजरला लक्षात आले की ही इज नॉट डेड, सो ही फील्स फ्री. त्याला मोकळं मोकळं वाटतंय की मी खरोखर मर्डरर नाही म्हणून. परंतु मला इथे असं वाटतं की त्याला आनंदही व्हायला पाहिजे होता. तो जिवंत आहे आणि त्याचं जे रिमार्क आहे, दॅट चीटेड मी, ही चीटेड मी, या स्वाईननं मला चीट केलं. इट्स नॉट गुड. ओके. देन ही स्ट्रेच ताणून देतोय तो पायलवरती. पायल मीन्स खाट, बाज. नाव दिस इज व्हॉट दॅट pile. He sleeps on that pile. So this is the story of R.K. Narayan, an astrologer's day. Special thanks to you because you have watched the video till the end. And many more are yet to come. So one by one we are going to see the complete syllabus. And again, प्रचंड धन्यवाद द्यायचे आहेत. That is to this Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook Production and Curriculum Research Pune, because they have given us wonderful book. So special thanks goes to them. Thank you. Thank you.